Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gen Tech, your go-to channel for all things in tech, education and productivity. In today's video, we are diving into how to enable and schedule dark mode on the Nothing CMF Phone 1. Let's get started. First, let's enable the dark theme from the settings menu. Here's how you do it. From your home screen, open the settings app, scroll down and find the display section, tap on display, and you'll see several options like auto brightness, brightness level, screen timeout, and more. Look for the dark theme tab. Once you tap on it, your phone's screen will immediately switch to dark mode, giving you a sleek, comfortable look, especially for low light environments. And just like that, dark mode is enabled. Now, let's move on to scheduling it to turn on automatically. To schedule dark mode, follow these steps. Go back to the dark theme section in the display menu, tap on schedule to open the scheduling options. You'll see multiple options. None if you don't want to schedule it. Turns on at custom time. Set your own preferred time for dark mode to activate. Turns on from sunset to sunrise. This option automatically adjusts based on your location. Turns on at bedtime. Syncs with your bedtime routine. Simply select the option that best suits your needs, and you're all set. It's as simple as that. Dark mode not only enhances your phone's look, but also reduces eye strain during nighttime usage. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, of course, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech tips and tricks. This is Gen Tech, signing off. See you in the next video.